Hi and welcome back to Polar Ice Creamery. I'm Nick and today we are gonna make mango ice cream using canned mangoes. A lot of people have asked for this because, you know, they're not in season all the time and the season is quite short apparently. So let's take our Malord mangoes and make some of the best mango ice cream you're ever gonna eat. So yeah, a lot of people ask about mango ice cream. It's not something I eat that often, to be fair. It's not a flavour that I pick out and choose. But let's just briefly talk about mango ice cream just for a minute. Mangoes can be traced back, 4,000 years. They were originally, or people believe that they were originally cultivated in Southeast Asia, which kind of makes sense, the growing climate and conditions needed for mangoes. Mango ice cream is also believed to have originated in India. In India, the mango is the king of fruits. That is what it's known as. It has a very specific window of growth and they're not in season all the time, and people love mango ice cream. So one thing that is common out of season, you can get canned mangoes. Now I've had a look around the supermarkets local to me and this is what I've got. I think I can go to the other side of Calgary and get some. So we're going to try it with these first, see how we get on. So I've used the ice cream calculator and come up with this recipe. I've tried it, it's beautiful. So if you want to know what it takes to make amazing mango ice cream from a cheap ass can of mangoes, let's do it. So the first thing we're going to do is get our pan warming up, and we're going to do this in two stages. Stage one, in here we have our milk and our cream, and in here we have our sucrose, our dextrose and our skim milk powder. So you don't need to stir this up. But what we're going to do is just pour all of this in there and then get our whisk. So we're just going to warm this gently. It doesn't need to be any more than 40, 50 degrees. We just want to make sure that those sugars and that skim milk powder are completely dissolved into the dairy. Once your sugar is completely dissolved, we're going to turn off the heat and take it over here. Because over here is our nice shiny new blender. This is exactly the same one that I had back in the UK. And we're going to pour our dairy and sugar mix into there, and then also into there we are going to take our mangoes, and this is the entire can's worth of mangoes. The can was 398 milliliters and we got exactly the right amount of mango flesh out of there, which is amazing. So we're going to just gently drop those in. Might as well add that in as well. Free water. Nothing's free in this world. Here we go. We're going to pop our lid on, down. We're going to blend this for just 5 to 10 seconds to get it started. Okay, now that we're at that stage, we're going to just pop the lid off. And here we have our stabilizers. In here we've got 4 grams of dextrose and our xanthan gum. That is going in like so. Put the lid back on and blend it for 2 minutes. There we go, 2 minutes in the blender. That xanthan gum is completely incorporated into that dairy, nice texture. We're going to put that in a bowl and put it in the fridge. The machine's been chilling down for 10-15 minutes, straight out of the fridge. What we're going to do is strain this into a clean bowl just to make sure that there's no big lumps of fruit in there. Nice. Nope, that came through super smooth. Let's get this in the machine. And then when it's ready, we'll get some scooped out and see how this turned out. Mango ice cream, American style mango ice cream. So loads of dairy, subtle yellow colour. Let's dish it up. First thing to note is it's scooped nicely. It smells like mango. Colour's not overly strong. What does it taste like? Texture is lovely, smooth, creamy base. That's what I wanted to achieve. Colour, I don't mind a colour. I'm not going to add artificial colour to this to make it look bright orange because that defeats the point of making all these ice creams. Flavour, it's subtle. You can definitely taste the mango there. You know what it is, and you can tell that when you're eating it that it's mango ice cream. I'm not sure the flavour is strong enough. I think I'm gonna try this one again. I'm gonna do mango ice cream take 2. This is a delicious mango ice cream. It's refreshing, it's creamy. Yeah, it's really, really nice, refreshing fruit ice cream. But I wanted more of that punch color, which I just didn't get. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the recipe even more, because this is kind of a gelato technically. I'm going to adjust the recipe and use a lot more mango and bring the fat percentage down so that we can try and get a color boost and a flavor boost as well. So I'd also like to thank my supporters of the channel. They're coming from Ko-fi, Patreon, and on YouTube itself. So a really huge thank you to everyone that has supported me over the time. I shall put a list on the screen so you can see, you know, just to say thank you to you, really. It really, really means a lot that you are willing to help me on this ice cream journey, and it's great to have you here. This ice cream journey has been going on for a few years now. This year we've, I think at the time of filming this, we're at 4,130 subscribers. So thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back when we do mango gelato take 2.